The rise of LGBT people on social media is one of the issues that is now being discussed by the general public. LGBT stand for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender, or it can be said to be a group that likes the same sex. The behavior arises on the basis of sexual orientation, which is the tendency to direct his sense of attraction and sexuality to the same sex. This deviant sexual behavior is still considered sensitive, especially in Indonesia. Basically, from the perspective of the Indonesian state and a legal state, this behavior must be studied and considered from a legal perspective. Therefore, here we will see how this deviant behavior is viewed from the perspective of Indonesian law and the perspective of Thai law, which legalizes sexual behavior. LGBT in Indonesian legal perspective. In the era of revolution after World War II, there were a number of groups that demanded the right to homosexuality. This was aroused by all Western countries, namely Britain, France, Germany, the Netherlands, and the United States, which began to expand and enter Southeast Asian countries. At the time, there were several countries that supported and rejected. One of the countries that supported was Thailand, while one of the countries that refused was Indonesia. Indonesia firmly rejects LGBT groups because in the view of the Indonesian state, it is deviant behavior in terms of morals and religion. However, not a few of the several opinions that have raised debates relate to group, one of which is when talking about human rights. In Law Number 39, 1999, Article 1 concerning human rights state that human rights are a set of inherent rights of every human being as a creature of God Almighty and are His grace that must be respected and protected by the state. The existence of law related to human rights makes LGBT people feel protected and want to be recognized by society and the state. But if we look at the 1945 Constitution, Article 28G say that everyone is obliged to respect human rights, but in carrying them out, everyone must comply with the limits set by the law in accordance with consideration of morals, security, and public order. Therefore, we can see that in the Constitution of Indonesia, this human right has limits that must not conflict with morals, religion values, security, or public discipline. It is also explained in the Marriage Law Number 1 of 1974 that marriage shall be carried out by a man and a woman. If LGBT people perform such marriages, it includes sexual behavior that deviates morally, ethically, religiously, and from public order. It is also mentioned in Article 281 of the Criminal Code that it will be punishable by imprisonment or fines for those who deliberately violate decency. Also in Article 292 of the Criminal Code, it is stated that an adult who commits lewd with an immature child and has the same sex will his sentenced to imprisonment for 5 years. LGBT from a Thailand legal perspective. The development of LGBT issues in Thailand cannot be separated from the history of Thailand. Thailand, when it is an absolute monarchy, holds a strong Buddhist belief in which is belief in 3 types of sexuality and gender. Therefore, Thailand is one of the countries that legalize same-sex marriage. The existence of LGBT groups in the country gets a response and tolerance from the community, but it does not rule out the possibility that there is discrimination against this LGBT group, such as in the group context of education and social religion, because there are some people who consider that this is a shallowness and inability to thrive in the face of something right in society. Thailand's constitution guarantees equality for all people between men and women, where all people are equal before the law and will receive equal protection under the law for both men and women, among other provisions. Thailand's constitution also prohibits discrimination against sex on the grounds that discrimination is the unfair treatment of a person on the basis of difference in race, language, sex, age, disability, physical condition, health, personal status, economy, social, and religious belief. Sexual diversity is one of the freedoms achieved in the country, as stated in the Thai constitution, where the state has an obligation to remove barriers and to promote the exercise of the rights and freedoms of everyone from sexual diversity as observed by others. This does not constitute unfair discrimination because it is an important principle of human dignity. Indonesia and Thailand have different legal views on LGBT people. While LGBT behavior is strictly prohibited in Indonesia, it is not forbidden in Thailand. This is not without reason in Indonesia, where the majority of Muslims are Muslim, where LGBT behavior is strictly forbidden and sinful. In Thailand, the majority of Buddhists, in one of their teachings, believe there are three sexes. The solution to this disagreement is that Thailand should reconsider the laws that allow LGBT people because, in our view, this is very immoral and out of human ethics.